my dad got it running. That's crazy. Yes, sir, man. We just left the store. I've been wanting one of these big oil drain kits for the longest. I got that. Some towels. I got the crank position sensor. That's the code popping up on the Camaro, the only code. And I got some grease and whatnot and all this other stuff. And then we got our brand new battery. So we in again, y'all. It's time to get to the crib and see what's going on. We sliding, man. Yes, sir, man. I done finally got it in the garage. Picked this thing up today from the auction. Still got my babies. It's crazy, and I'm still missing one more, but it's good. Literally got the joint with 60,000 miles, original, everything. Yes, sir. Unbelievable. Super stock, just how I like it. Yes, sir, man. We finally got this thing in a lot much better than what it was. It didn't come as clean as I wanted to, but it came clean, though. I ain't gonna lie. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to wax this black and see how good I can get it to come out. But this is how it looked dry. It's still drying up a little bit in some spots, but this black don't look bad. Now I see the 60,000 miles worth. Let me cut on the light for y'all. Yes, sir. We got the inside shampooed by hand. Looking a lot much better, man. Stuff had brown and white stuff. It's still a little bit right there. We're going to vacuum up and clean up, but we got it looking a lot much better. Y'all seen how dirty it was. We're going to go ahead and put the seats back in here, wipe those down, and probably scrub the mats, but we're going to do the same for that driver's side. But y'all see what's going on, man. This thing is a lot much better, and it's going to smell good, so stay tuned, y'all. dad got it running. That's crazy. I couldn't get it running. The oil pump pumping, it's just shaking super hard. That's crazy. My dad got it going. That's crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Now I think it's that sensor. Hopefully this brand new one do the job.
Yeah, it's getting there, but it's still got to run and burn up because you got the old gas. It ain't got no wood.
So we back at it, man. We got everything back in the garage. Shout out to my dad for helping me. I could not have done that without him. I don't know what he did. I wasn't even paying attention, but he got the job done. He got it to stay on. Once we got it running, we start checking the fuel, I've been checking the fuels. We have to check the oil that we had it running. That noise that's clinking is the exhaust. I had broke a bracket trying to yank it off the trailer, moving too fast. Didn't realize I had it chained up in the front to the K-member. So due to that, I thought it was a motor noise. So the motor is not blown like I thought. It's actually a blown head gasket. Shout out to my man's Built by Ray. Follow him on YouTube. I know he helped me a lot with these cars. And just like he said, soon as I took that oil cap off, the pressure started steaming out. The oil changed from brown to like milky. So that's how I know I blew a head gasket. So now we're about to change the head gaskets on this joint, man. So stay tuned for that. We're about to pop both of the heads off. I already got a head start, but it's a lot of progress, man. I'm telling y'all. I literally was ready to snatch the whole car apart and strip it because I've done it before. If you tune into my YouTube and go far down to my beginning videos, I was dealing with these cars before I ever touched a bike or even knew anything of a bike. So this is where it all started. That's why I have a passion for these and I love them because this is my first car. I had a truck, but this is my first actual coupe car. My mom and dad got me a V6 in high school in like 11th grade, convertible. So that, having that in high school just blew my mind. All I wanted was a V8 after that. So that's what made me get these. That's why I love the drop top Trans Am because it always remind me of my first love. So it's like, we're trying to keep it going, man. But like I said, we about to take the motor apart, get it going, change the head gaskets. I don't know what I'm gonna do about the catalytic conversion because they sound a little bit of clogged. But the thing is with these cars, I want it to pass smog legally perfect. So we're gonna figure that out and see what we can do. But stay tuned, man. I'm telling y'all, we got it coming.